Out of 50 questions, our next question is Kirchhoff laws. So we have two different types of Kirchhoff laws. One is a Kirchhoff voltage law, another one is a Kirchhoff current law. So our next question is a 10th question. So in that 10th question, Kirchhoff voltage law only we are going to discuss. Sometimes we can call this one as a KVL. Okay. The statement of Kirchhoff voltage law is algebraic sum of all the voltages around the closed loop is equal to 0. Okay. So this statement also sometimes a very huge statement in some textbooks, but here I have simplified in a short manner only. So here we have a three resistances in a one closed loop, and we are giving one source voltage, and what actually the voltage drop across the three resistances, that drop voltage is equal to a source voltage. So that's why only V1 is a positive and remaining all the voltages across resistance is a negative. Around entire all voltages are equal to a 0. That one is our next question. If you feel this information is worthy and useful for you in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you students, and all the best for your external exam.